What if building an AI was as simple as writing a document? No complex code, no team of engineers, just you and a simple set of instructions. It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually happening right now. So let's break down exactly how you can become an AI builder, starting today.
Seriously, the change we've seen is, wow. Just think back 5 years ago. If you wanted to build, say, a custom chatbot, you needed a serious budget, a team of specialized engineers, and thousands of lines of code. But today, the game has totally changed. That huge barrier to entry, it's crumbled, and now the tools are in your hands.
For the longest time, this was just the reality. Building AI was kind of an exclusive club, right? It was all about these complex algorithms, data pipelines, and a very specific technical skill set. It was powerful, for sure, but it definitely wasn't accessible to most of us.
But now, oh man, we are in a totally new era. The whole approach is shifting from coding to teaching. Yeah, teaching. Instead of telling a machine how to think with logic and code, we're now teaching it what to know and how to behave, just using plain language.
And this right here, this is the single most important idea to grasp. Seriously, if you walk away with one thing from this explainer, let it be this. We've gone from being programmers to being teachers. We're curators of knowledge and writers of instructions, not just coders.
Okay, so theory is great and all, but let's make this real. Let's get our hands dirty. We are going to build a simple, but pretty smart, customer service agent for a local pizza shop. We're going to do it right now, with zero code. Let's call it the Pizza Bot.
Here's our game plan, and check this out. It's just 3 simple steps. First, the setup. Second, we'll give the bot a brain by uploading some knowledge. And third, we'll give it its instructions. It is really that straightforward.
All right, step 1, the setup. We start by opening up a no-code AI platform. Now, if you've ever used a drag-and-drop website builder like Squarespace or Wix, you already know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a visual interface, no scary command line in sight.
Step 2, and this is where the magic starts to happen. We give our pizza bot its brain. So, how do we do that? We're not writing rules. We are literally just uploading 2 files, a PDF of the restaurant's menu and a simple little text file with the store's hours. That's it. The AI reads and understands these instantly. And this really gets to the heart of the difference. We're not writing a bunch of if this, then that rules. We're not programming it to say, if a user asks about vegan, then search for the word vegan. Nope. We just give it the raw knowledge and let it figure out how to use it.
Finally, step 3, the instruction. Okay, so our bot knows things now, but we need to tell it how to act, right? We give it a personality and some ground rules, not with code, but with a simple instruction written in plain English.
And this is the exact instruction we give it. Just look how simple this is. We're defining its persona, a helpful waiter. We're setting a crucial boundary. Only use the information we gave you. And we're giving it a fallback for when it gets stuck. Say, let me call a human. This is all it needs.
So, we've built our bot in just a few minutes. The setup is done, the brain is loaded with pizza knowledge, and the instructions are given. But does it actually work? It's time to put our pizza bot to the test.
Here's our test question. Do you have vegan options at midnight? Now, what makes this question so tricky is that the answer isn't in just one document. To get it right, the bot has to look at both the menu and the store hours, and then put the 2 pieces of information together. It has to connect the dots. So let's watch it think. First, it tackles the first part of the question. It scans the menu PDF for vegan options, and bingo, it finds a mention of vegan cheese. So far, so good.
But it doesn't stop there. It understands there's a second condition in our question, at midnight. So it consults the other document, that store hours file, and it finds the crucial piece of information. The shop closes at 10 p.m. And boom, here's the bot's final answer. It combines both pieces of information into a single, helpful, and perfectly correct response. It didn't just find keywords. It understood context, and it synthesized knowledge from 2 separate sources. Absolutely brilliant.
So what do we just see? We saw that the person who built this powerful little agent didn't need a computer science degree. They just needed to be able to organize information and write a clear sentence. The builder, well, the builder's you.
This entire process has a name. It's no-code development. It's the practice of training an AI by giving it knowledge and instructions rather than programming it with lines of code. And the most important thing about it is that the barrier to creating custom AI is now radically lower than ever before. That wall has been torn down.
So this leaves us with a pretty fascinating question. The tools are here, and the methods are simple. You don't need to be a coder anymore. You just need to be a teacher. So if you can write a document, what agent are you going to build first?